All right, guys, I'm gonna put my drag wing on today. I know I still haven't put the car all the way together, but I got this piece of metal here. It's about a 1/4 inch, maybe 1/8 inch of steel. I don't know, I think it's 1/4 actually. 1/4 inch of steel. I bent it, as you can see, so it kind of matches the roof. I bent it to the roof, so it all kind of, flows with it. I'm gonna drill holes and seat them down so it makes a flush fit. And I'm gonna put washers here, spacers, so it kind of stands up a little bit. It's pretty much gonna go in right there like that. It's gonna be a little higher because you can see this is higher than that, so I'm gonna pick it up a little bit. It's gonna match the roof perfectly, and then we're gonna drill holes in the wing and bolt it on here. It's gonna come out, and then I have 2 aluminum rods. You kind of see them back there for the window. It's gonna go to the rear hatch window, and yeah, let's get that going. All right, so we just finished up drilling all the holes. Boom, boom, boom. We beveled out those 2, so the wing sits flush. Check it out over here. How it's gonna, I think I already showed you guys how it's gonna sit. It's gonna sit like this. Boom. I found these these spacers are gonna go under here, so it kind of picks up, and yeah, should be good. We already kind of test fitted it and we marked the holes out, and it should look good, so I'm excited. All right, you guys just saw me put on the wing, drill all the holes. Had to go back 1 hole, got this hardware. Not too bad. Looked really clean with the washers and everything, same with the bottom side. Oh, this side. Some washers, got the metal there. Yeah, pretty good, pretty sturdy, honestly. I'm surprised how sturdy it is. I'm thinking I'm gonna leave this flat part here, but on these ends, I'm gonna bend the metal down so it kind of arches here a little bit more and kind of tucks better there. But yeah, I might even get a gaps are pretty much the same. Might get a piece of rubber, put it through here just so cover these holes or something. I don't know. But yeah, looks good. Pretty good company. I think they're coming out of New Mexico or Mexico. But yeah, YCP Customs. They're really cool. They make wings. They make side skirts. And yeah, pretty cool wing. I'm happy with it. Came out really clean. Flat black. I'm gonna put some stickers on it too. Yeah. Check it out, check it out. Boom. Drag wing. Sick.